It's been a while since Kia has released something that has piqued my interest, and just recently they have been successful in doing that, especially that so many of you guys have been asking me on the comment section to compare this latest release to other models from other brands. So before we do that, of course, we need to answer this question. Is this new contender from Kia really worth it? Ladies and gentlemen, let me present to you the 2024 Kia Sonet. So just sit back, relax, and enjoy. Here we go. The Kia Sonet has a wide variety of options that you could choose from, starting at 758,000 pesos up to just 1,138,000, which is very competitive to the other brands. Underneath its hood is a 1.5-liter engine with IVT or Intelligent Variable Transmission, 4 cylinders, 16 valves with front wheel drive. It has a good amount of power and torque with a 5-year warranty, which is a very big selling point for me. Starting with your front fascia, you have your Kia logo, the modernized Kia logo, and then of course Kia's signature tiger nose front fascia. A front grille with a glossy black finish, which is very beautiful in my opinion, and then some chrome accents both on your front grille and down to the bumper. The side profile of the Kia Sonet I believe is one of the most beautiful in the segment in terms of the design, with a 16-inch two-tone alloy wheels with a body color door handles, and you have your side fenders as well to achieve that sporty or rugged look. The Kia Sonet also has a very good amount of ground clearance with 205mm. The rear design is also as good with the one on the front, having a shark fin antenna at the top and roof rails with a spoiler and brake light with this wonderful looking straight line finish brake light or tail light system at the back. You also got your Kia logo, the Sonet emblem, and the chrome accents on the rear bumper. You also have your rear parking sensors, guys, and your rear camera. Now let's go back to the beautiful front fascia of the Kia Sonet. I want you guys to see how beautiful it is once it's lit up. So now you can see the DRLs, okay? Very beautiful, right? And it turns into the turn signals once you activate your turn signals or you turn on your hazard. You also have your LED fog lights, guys. Very beautiful, very sophisticated, and very futuristic. Okay, now let's go to the back. Very beautiful LED tail lights as well with a very awesome looking straight line. That's really becoming common nowadays, but yeah, they adapted that, and that's what it looks like once you press the brakes. And let me show you how it looks with the hazard on. So before we go to the interior, guys, let me just give a huge shout out or big thanks to Sir Randy and Sir Josh, who have been very kind and accommodating, assisting us very well on the review unit of the Kia Sonet. For any Kia vehicles, their information is down below. So right now we're here inside the Kia Sonet. As you can see, guys, very premium looking interior. I love it. So far the colors are really good, and it really is a perfect combination, guys, in my taste. The glossy black is really nice. The screen is very big, infotainment screen, and the aircon controls. So let's start here, guys, with your steering wheel. Okay, these are your buttons. You actually have cruise control here, very nice. And then your horn, and then the buttons for your calls. And then here, guys, you have a very great feeling leather right here, as you can see, and then silver accent. And now for your instrument panel, very nice looking, fully digital instrument cluster. Yeah. And your controls here over at the left side and at the right side. Okay, right here at the top, let's see. Do you have mirrors? Okay, you have mirrors, good news, but no lights. And here you have mirrors as well. Okay, this is your dome lights, halogen. Okay, and then this is your controls. For your good news, you have your sunroof. Okay, very awesome, guys. This is really one of the top crossovers for me today. My sunglass holder pa, a big plus for me. Okay, you have here your rear view mirrors, and then of course your infotainment screen. As you can see, glossy black all around, very nice, very premium. Very well integrated with the instrument cluster. Your aircon design, still kind of growing on me. I think I would have wanted different design for the aircon, but still it works. It's very functional. Vertical yung kanyang orientation, which is unique. And then you have here the display where you can see the direction of your flow. I know a lot of you is very big deal sa inyo yan yung direction ng flow, so that's really good to have. Temperature, and then you have your auto, okay, for your blower speed as well. Good news as well, guys. There you can see here your the button for your camera. You have a wireless charging pad right here, guys, for the top of the line version, okay? And then you have some space here as well for your coins and everything that you need to put. Then you have your USB ports as well here, Type A and Type C, okay, and cigarette lighter socket. For your gear lever, this is it. Very nice, very modern. I love it. Saktong-sakto lang. It's not weird. And then here for your gears. So you have your cup holders, traditional handbrake, and then this is your cubby hole. Very deep. Okay, nice. Leather. The levels for your headlights, and then some of your other controls for your safety. Okay. This is how the key looks like. Very nice. Okay, so for your second row, very awesome, guys. I like the feeling here. Of course, the sunroof view. Okay, very nice. And then the best thing about this is yan, you have your second row aircon vents. And then di lang yan, but you also have charging ports. It's really excellent here. Brown leather, I'm loving the color, guys, so much. The coffee brown, if you might call it that. And then this one as well, the leather armrest, center armrest. Okay, very accessible. For your compartment trunk, guys, you have a very good amount of space here at the back. And as you can see, it is very low, honestly, which is a good news if you have to put a lot of like tall objects, okay? And then you also can see your spare tires, which are donut, I believe. They aren't the same as the ones that are originally installed. So 60-40 orientation, when you fold them up, you're gonna have an even larger space here at the back. And as I can see, only one side has a light. And just to be honest, this deep orientation here at the back could be a problem if you're gonna put or loading heavy objects. So it would have been nice if there was some kind of like a floorboard, but it's still nice, and you just have manual tailgate. So before we give our final verdict, let's have first, guys, a very quick final feel or final look, an in-depth look of the interior of the Kia Sonet. Okay, let me know down in the comment section, guys, what do you think about the overall feel of the Kia Sonet? What do you think of the very big touchscreen display, the colors that they used for the interior, like the seats, the leather brown aesthetics that they went for? Is that a good or a bad for you? Let me know. Or do you like just maybe black or some kind of neutral color? Just let me know in the comments, guys. And what do you think of the features? Do you guys think that the features are enough on this one, more than enough, or lacking in features? I would love to know. And which feature or features you really appreciate with the Kia Sonet. For me, guys, I love the overall feel and look and features, technicality, specs of this car. Kia Sonet has a good combination for me with regards to the aesthetics and the functionality. I believe that it is priced really well in comparison to its competitors on the segment. It even has a sunroof. Even a tire pressure monitoring system is really good and impressive, let alone the cruise control, which I know that a lot of people really love. Having that said, I know that you guys already have an idea of what our next or upcoming videos are going to be. So if you haven't subscribed yet, go ahead and click that subscribe button, hit that notification bell, like, comment, and share this to your loved ones and your friends so that they would also know if they would buy this Kia Sonet. This has been Ronnie with Project Gentleman, reminding you that when we seek God first, all of the things that we need are going to be added onto us. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.